Hello guys and welcome back to Salty Tales.
Welcome back.
Today we have something different for you guys.
Yes, we do.
Something special.
Very special.
Something that we all do in the holidays, on our dinners, and it's always a success.
Yes.
So we want to bring to you guys what we eat for the holidays, what we eat for Christmas, what we eat for New Year, and we're gonna do those things for you guys so you guys can learn how Latin people and how we do it our way, and it's fantastic. You're gonna love it, you know. So today we have something different for you. As I said before, we have chicken rice, guys.
Arroz con pollo Panamanian style.
Panamanian style, which is delicious.
Woo-hoo.
So let's go for it, guys. As always, I'm gonna be filming. Miss Ginger is gonna be cooking. That one's gonna be doing everything else. Let's go for it.
Okay, guys. As always, the first thing we need to do with our Ninja is what? Preheat it. So let's go ahead and preheat it for 5 minutes before we start an incredible arroz con pollo. We're gonna press our sear and saute option. We need to open the lid and we're going to heat it up at high and just press start. Just like that. So we'll see you back again here in 5 minutes. Okay, now that we have our Ninja preheated, we're gonna start adding just a little bit of oil. We don't need that much. And we're gonna start with all of our ingredients. The first one is gonna be red bell peppers. You hear that shh? That's what we wanna hear. Then we're gonna use some yellow onions, some garlic, and culantro. You guys probably never heard about this, but I will give you more details about it in a few minutes. Now, once you have all these ingredients all together in your Ninja, stir them a little bit. Hear that shh? That's what we want to hear. Now, I have the Ninja in medium. What we're gonna do now is bring it to high, and we're going to start adding our chicken. This is our chicken thighs. Don't get rid of the skin, because the skin is what is going to give you the flavor. Let's put one here, the next one here, facing up. What it means is you want the skin facing down so it will start releasing all that fat that is going to give us the flavor and the fat that we need for the arroz con pollo. We have our chicken facing down. See, the skin is facing down, equals fat. We need the fat, don't get rid of it. It's very important to get the flavor of the arroz con pollo. You need to let it go for, just give it about 3 to 4 minutes. That's what we need. So don't get rid of the skin. Later on, I'll show you what we're gonna do with the skin. We want all that flavor. See now the color? Give it a little bit more so it will release more of that fat that we need. You can see here how the chicken is releasing all that juice, and it's really good. We're just gonna go ahead and flip them over. See, it's changing colors. It's turning like caramel color. Now we're gonna turn them over. I would say for this process here, it will take anywhere in between 2 to 4 minutes, because remember, you're gonna keep your Ninja in high while we have the chicken in there. But at this point, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add some salt. Let's put our salt. Let's just move it around a little bit. Look at the fat, how pretty. Look, this is all from the chicken. We didn't put any water in there, nothing. Look, everything is from the chicken, and that's exactly what we want. This is so yummy. At this point, we're going to go ahead and add what is called achiote. In English, it's called anato.
What?
Anato.
What?
I don't know how to pronounce it.
What's the name?
It's achiote. It comes in a paste that already has a lot of condiments in there. It's about this much. That's all you need. And we need to put it in the water to dissolve it. I'm gonna put it here. And we're gonna dissolve our achiote. And then this is the water that we're gonna pour in for the pressure cooker. Let's go ahead and put our water in there. There we go. Let it boil just a little bit. Oh, by the way, the achiote, it's available on the link below. We're gonna put everything on the description box so you can have access to all the things that we're using for this. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch from sear and saute to our pressure cooker. Here's the lid. Okay, we're gonna press pressure, time, 10 minutes only, and we're gonna start. And always make sure that the valve up here, it's unsealed. So we're gonna leave our chicken there for 10 minutes and we'll be right back. It's already done. The 10 minutes has passed by. And what we're gonna do is what is called a quick release. I have this spoon here, very, very long. And all I do is move the valve here to vent. And it's going to release all the pressure. Our pin drop in, so that means you can open your lid safely, no problem at all. So we're just gonna turn them around, open your lid. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that beautiful chicken. The smell of all the spices is just like unbelievable. Don't turn off your Ninja, just leave it as it is. And all we're gonna do is take our chicken out in order to remove all the skin. The skin doesn't go in the rice. And then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with our chicken. Okay, now that we have our beautiful chicken ready, what we're gonna do is get rid of the skin. We don't use the skin for the arroz con pollo. And we're gonna go ahead and shred the chicken. Now we have here our shredded chicken. First, we're gonna put all our chicken in there. Now we're going to add celery, a cup of rice, previously washed, Spanish olives, and capers. Now let's mix everything together. Here we have the lid for a pressure cooker. So let's go ahead and set it up and do the 7 minutes remaining for our awesome chicken rice. Pressure cook, it's always in high. Set the time and it's gonna be for only 7 minutes and we're gonna press start. Always make sure that your valve is in seal. We'll see you back in 7 minutes. Our pin has dropped. So we're gonna open now to see the magic of this beautiful chicken rice. Let's open. Voila, oh my God.
Well, guys, I don't know how to describe the smell to you guys.
Yes.
This thing is awesome. This is something that we do, pretty much all the Latin countries do.
Yes.
In Cuba we do a little bit different, not the same thing, but it's the smell, you know, this brings you back to when you were a kid.
Yes.
And it's
it brings
awesome.
So many memories. And you know what, honey? And I don't want to get emotional. No. Abuela Cata.
Abuela Cata was her grandma.
Yes.
She lived with us here for a while. And she was a really, really sweet old lady. We had a lot of fun with her. And we enjoyed her. So that's
I learned how to cook arroz con pollo since I was a little girl. Yeah. Because of my grandma.
Let's give this thing a good try and let's see how it came out. So this thing, you just serve it however you can, man, because this thing is so good.
Look at this. This is only 1 cup of rice. And literally out of 1 cup of rice, you can get good 4 servings for 4 people. Try it. How is it?
Wow.
How is it?
Wow.
I'm telling you.
Wow.
This is
so. It's so creamy. So.
It's perfect.
So good. So it's oily. The rice is really, really soft. The chicken is in the middle of everything, and then the rice get all the flavor from the chicken and from the spices. It's tough to describe, guys, but it's amazing. It's delicious, brother. This thing is awesome. Let's give it a good try here with the chicken. I'm sorry, Mr. Georgie. Oh, look who's here.
Look who's here.
Mr. Georgie is here again.
Mr. Georgie in the house.
You want to eat some chicken? I bet you want. Go back to your cage. Go.
Listen, guys, we Spanish, if we don't have chicken rice or arroz con pollo in our Christmas or New Year's or any special parties, there's not such a party, because this is a main dish in our Hispanic cuisine.
Yes, it is. And there is another one that is the main thing, and that one's coming out, guys. Cubans, you know what I mean, brother? It's coming, it's coming.
And this is for you guys from my heart. A little bit of my culture, my background, where I come from, and we're also having a Panamanian drink.
So,
this is called seco herrerano.
Seco herrerano.
With milk. And
With
it's called
milk.
lechita.
Lechita. That's not a good name, guys. That's not a good name.
Try it, honey. Try it. You didn't like that?
It's wrong with milk.
But this is not aroma.
Well, it's aguardiente.
This is culantro and this is cilantro. So I want to know how you guys out there call this, if you ever seen them. Put it on the comments. I want to know how you guys call culantro. This is culantro.
These guys don't know, bro. That's cilantro,
Not cilantro.
bro.
This is cilantro.
That's something else.
This is culantro. So seriously, guys, I really want to know, what do you call them in your country?
How do you call it? How do you call it in your country? How do you call it in your state?
Or your
whatever,
state,
you know?
or where you live, or it doesn't matter. But I'm really curious about it. From us, from our hearts, for these holidays, bring a little bit of Latino flavor into your table. Right?
Oh, you will never regret it. So that's it for today, guys. We're gonna finish this thing. It's awesome, and I'm sorry I cannot share with you guys. Dominican, I can share with you this one. This one's all for me, man. So this is all for today, guys. We hope you like it. We hope you enjoy it. We hope you try it. We do this for our holidays, and we do this for you guys, for you to learn something new. If you want to try it, give it a try. If you like it, hit us with a like.
Yes.
If you want to know more about what we do and the videos we do and everything, subscribe to the channel. And whatever you have in mind, man, speak your mind down there in the comments.
Yes.
All we use for this recipe is going to be down there in the description, and the whole recipe is going to be in the description. So I hope you guys like it. Love you.